This is our die casting room. It is the heart of TH Zipper, where all the sliders and pullers are created. The zinc alloy is melted at 450 degrees Celsius into liquid form and injected into the mold at high pressure. The product is then formed in each die casting process after cool down. With the rapidly increasing demand from customers, TH Zipper continues to make important investments to increase its production capacity, while the product quality always remains a core focus. Our cutting-edge die-cast machines have not only allowed us to significantly increase our production capacity, but have also improved the quality of our products. In order to ensure the best quality of products, TH Zipper also invests in the quality of raw material. For example, importing raw metal directly from Australia, a country known for its high-quality mineral.